Google just changed how you work this week, and most people didn't even notice. 5 new AI tools dropped in just a few days, and I'm willing to bet you haven't heard of a single one. One of them lets you talk to almost anyone in any language, live in real time. And the last one on this list, that's the one nobody's watching, and that's exactly the mistake. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Let's start with the one that honestly feels like science fiction. Google just dropped a new audio model built for one job, live speech-to-speech translation. It picks up over 70 languages on its own. You don't even choose the language. It figures out what you're speaking and translates it while you're still talking, staying just a few seconds behind. So it actually feels like a real conversation, not some robot reading lines back at you. It even keeps your tone, your pace, your pitch, so the translated voice still sounds like a real person. It's already rolling out in the Google Translate app on Android and iPhone. You tap Live Translate, put your headphones in, and you're talking to someone in a completely different language, like it's nothing. It's also coming to Google Meet, where it jumps from just 5 languages to over 70, which unlocks more than 2,000 language combinations inside a single meeting. Think about that for a second. A meeting with people from 10 different countries, and everyone hears it in their own language. Leave. Now, here's the one I think is actually the biggest deal out of all 5. Notebook LM just got a massive upgrade. If you don't know it, it's Google's research tool. You feed it your documents and it helps you pull ideas and answers out of them. Well, it just got a lot smarter. It now runs on Gemini 3.5 and every notebook comes with its own secure cloud computer attached to it. That means it can actually write and run code for you now. It's got over 100 built-in skills and it builds real things, not just answers. We're talking PDF reports with charts and tables, spreadsheets, slide decks, even images, all built straight from your own sources and all ready for you to download and edit afterward. And here's the part I really like. You don't even need your own sources anymore to start. You can give it a loose idea and it'll go find good sources on the web and pull them in for you automatically. So what used to take you a whole afternoon of research and formatting can now happen in one prompt. Now this next one is wild in a completely different way. It's called Project Genie and it comes out of Google Labs, powered by their Genie 3 world model along with Nano Banana Pro and Gemini. Here's what it actually does. You type a prompt or you upload an image and it builds you a whole interactive world that you can walk around and explore. Not a video, not a flat picture, an actual living space that keeps generating around you as you move through it. You can walk it, ride through it, fly, drive, switch between first person and third person, and even remix worlds other people already made just by changing the prompt. It's now open to Google AI Ultra subscribers worldwide, so a lot more people can actually try this one. I'll be straight with you though, it's still an early research prototype. The words don't always match your prompt perfectly and the physics can feel a little loose. But typing one sentence and then walking around inside what it built, that felt like pure science fiction a year ago. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. This next one is quick, but it matters if you're in Europe. Notebooks inside the Gemini app are now available in the European Economic Area, the UK, and Switzerland. If you've been watching everyone else use this feature and felt left out, that wait is finally over. It gives you a project space right inside the Gemini app that connects Gemini with Notebook LM. So all your chats, your files, and your research live in one organized place. One thing to know, if you're in those regions, you'll need to give Gemini permission to sync your notebooks between the two apps, but that's a quick one-time step and then you're good to go. And last but honestly, the one most people are going to sleep on, Diffusion Gemma. This is a brand new experimental open model from Google, and it writes text in a completely different way than anything else out there. Normal AI models write one word at a time, left to right, like a typewriter. Diffusion Gemma doesn't do that. It writes a whole block of text all at once, then refines it, kind of like how an image generator turns a blurry mess into a sharp photo. Why does that matter? Speed. On a good graphics card, it can run up to 4 times faster, over 1,000 tokens a second. It's built on the Gemma 4 setup. It's a 26 billion parameter model, but it only uses about 4 billion of that at a time, so it stays efficient. And it's open under an Apache 2.0 license, which means anyone can download it and run it themselves. Quantized down, it fits in about 18 gigs of memory, so it'll actually run on a high-end home graphics card. Now, Google's being honest here, and so am I. It's still experimental, and the quality isn't as high as their standard Gemma 4 model yet. But because it looks at a whole block of text at once instead of just going forward, it's actually great at things normal models struggle with, like editing text in the middle of a paragraph, or filling in a missing piece of code. And because it's open and runs right on your own machine, you can use it completely offline, no internet required. So let's recap fast. Live Translate gives you real-time speech translation in over 70 languages. Notebook LM can now run code and build full reports, slides, and spreadsheets straight from your own sources. Project Genie lets you build and walk through interactive worlds, and it's now open to AI Ultra subscribers worldwide. Notebooks in the Gemini app finally landed in the EU, the UK, and Switzerland. And Diffusion Gemma is a fast, open experimental model that writes in blocks instead of one word at a time. 5 major launches in 1 week. And here's the thing. The real advantage isn't picking just one of these, it's stacking them. Use Notebook LM to turn your notes into a full content plan, then run that same content through Live Translate so people in other languages can follow along too. That's 2 brand new tools working together, and that's the kind of workflow that actually moves the needle for you. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.